Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to this channel about job. So today I will inform you a job openings from Qatar and it's a urgent job vacancies. So guys, if you are looking for a golf job, then please keep this video watching up to the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. So the thing is, this is a multiple vacancies in Qatar. I hope you all know that Qatar is a Gulf country. So this is a urgent openings from Qatar. Long-term visa will be applied. Opening for a leading MEP construction company for their maintenance project. All candidates should have minimum of 3 years of experience in the maintenance project. And final client interview will be in Mumbai office. The address is right here. You can reach and you can contact. I will give you the contact number and email ID also. So let's know what is the job position. This is very important. The job position HVAC technician, chiller experience. Then number two, elevator technician. Number three, electronic technician. Number four, motor rewinder. Number five, ST technicians and MEP change hands. So this is all about the job positions. And if you have the relevant experience, then you can apply. And you can see here candidates with Indian experience are also allowed. That means the golf experience candidates can be applied, also the Indian experience holder. That means if you have your local experience, then also you can apply. So apply immediately with CV, passport, photo and vaccination certificate. That means you have to reach to the Mumbai office with these certificates. And interested candidates, you have to first of all drop your CV to the given official email ID, and also you can follow up by the WhatsApp in this number. So guys, this is a multiple vacancies, urgent vacancies, and the job position, six type of job position are there. Any position you can apply with your relevant experience, and you have to contact to the Mumbai office. The interview will be in Mumbai, and the thing is, if you have Gulf experience, also you can apply, and if you have only local experience, that means your home country experience, then also you can apply. But the company or the client will be give the preference to the golf experience holder, but my suggestion will be the same. If you have local experience, still you have to try, you have to gain the experience about the interview. And also there are a chance to selection of national experience holders. That means if you are a experience holder in your home country and you will be the attend the interview, also you can attend the interview and also you can get the job. There will be chances. So guys, this is the urgent job vacancies from Qatar. And job position: HVAC technician, elevator technician, electronic technician, motor rewinder, AT technicians, MEP, charging hands. So these six type of jobs are there. Any kind of job are mentioned here. Among the job you can apply as per your relevant experience, and you just need to first of all prepare your CV with mentioned experience and qualifications. After that, you have to drop your CV to the given official email ID. Then you can follow by the WhatsApp number. So guys, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. And if you have Gulf experience in the relevant field, then make your CV immediately and apply by the email ID. After you apply, also you can visit to the office about interview. They will arrange for the interview, client interview, and if once you crack the interview, the visa process will be start, and then you can move Qatar with a job. So many times my some of viewers messaging that we are not getting reply. My reply will be the same. You just keep trying and there have a chances to get a reply, because nowadays many candidates from many countries are applying to the same company. So sometimes they get selection the candidates, but the other application holders are on the hold. That means your turn will become, but you have to wait and you have to apply and you have to try again and again. This is the very important point. you have to apply again and again. So guys, my suggestion will be the same. If you are looking for a abroad job, please try again and again, and you just try to apply. I'm giving the informations, I'm giving the job positions, and what is the interview process, how to apply, everything details. You just collect the information and you just try to apply. This is my strongly suggestion. You just keep trying, continue your trying, then one day you can get success. So I hope you understand what I'm saying and what you have to do if you are looking for a abroad job. So guys, still if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. My suggestion in the last of the video that please collect the informations. If you are relevant to this positions, this profile, don't be late, apply immediately and try to get in touch with the office. And one important thing I would like to tell you in the last session of the videos, before any process, don't give a single money to any person or any office. You have to attend the interview, you have to get the job offer. After you get job offer, you have to attend the medical. After you success from the medical test, then you can process for the visa. So guys, please keep in mind, never give a single money to any persons without any process. So guys, again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. In the next video, of course, I will come with the latest openings from other countries. Up to stay with this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.